Hi,
How are you, brother?
I'm very great. What about you?
I'm also good. I'm also good.
So, where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm from West Bengal, and can I introduce myself?
It's okay.
Okay, exactly. My name is Kaijar Alam, and I'm from West Bengal in India. And
Yeah, yeah,
currently, I'm doing my graduation in Open University, and I'm also working in private sector. Apart from, I'm also learning English language. So it is happy moment that I am talking to you. So could you please
yeah.
introduce me?
So, I'm Ritesh. I'm from Bihar, and my
Hmm.
qualification 12th done from IRGP High School, Delhi. And right now, I'm doing graduation part one, a student. And my
Okay.
hobbies is like open a hotel in the future, and I want to become a good chef. That's the reason I learn English because without learning English, I can't do anything. So, it's my intro.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So
Yeah.
uh, think that you also want to be go abroad for
Yes.
safe purpose.
First of all, I don't think too much about abroad. Just I'm thinking completing my course IHM. Again, I
Mm.
think about anything. First of all, completed my course.
Yeah, that's also
Yeah,
fine thing. You
yeah,
observe yourself. You need to first course, and after that you will prepare on it. That's also
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
So, tell me something about culture. Tell me something about your area.
Oh, really? My area is really very fantastic because everything is like natural. And you know what? Like COVID season is going on in all over world.
Yeah.
So feel very safe in village, and my area is really totally safe, and my
Mm.
culture is really very good. So I think everything is really very perfect.
Do you like village area is better than town area? What is your opinion?
Oh, my God. I think both are good, but urban area is better than village area because in urban area everything is available for the needy people, just like hospital, road, and
Mm.
transportation. Everything is available in urban area, but nowadays in a village everything available, but compared than urban area is not perfectly. So I think urban area is better than village area.
Okay, fine. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. I'm totally agree with you because when you live in village, there is also availability everything, but you are not satisfied with yourself because you are not.
And mainly in education. Education
Yeah.
system is like fully not fully perfect in a village area. That's the reason people run away from
Town area.
urban area.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Exactly. Absolutely. Because suppose you are able to speak with very good manner, you are able to speak with good uh, communicator in English language, you definitely go for in urban area because there you have a chance for work because in your standard work you must uh, you please go on urban area, then you can find a lot of opportunity. But when you live in village area, there is no such types of atmosphere, then you can work on there is no such types of facility.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if we are fluent in English, we must go urban area or town area because there is availability many things.
So what's your opinion about English?
Yeah, absolutely fine because we are learner. We have been facing lots of difficulty. Now we are able to speak. So I'm happy that I'm able. Maybe you also happy you are able. But according to me, upcoming days, who is beginner, who is speak in English, they must be follow such types of way because this is also important in English language because we need to English language in upcoming days. So in upcoming
So
days, India is
brother,
growing, everyone is growing, so we need to English language
yeah,
most.
yeah. So, have you any purpose about English? Why do you want to learn English? Have you any special purpose? Have you a special anything? So, please tell me.
Nothing like actually nothing like that. But I love speaking. I love English language, so I am
Oh my God,
practicing.
it's really great.
Yeah, I love speaking because I have no purpose to talk with anyone in English because I am learning. So I am thinking that suppose I am talking with anyone, and after that I realize myself, let's talk every single day with anyone because I'm learning. Eh,
Yeah, yeah,
Maybe another person learn or not, I don't know, but I'm learning. While I'm talking, I'm learning. So I am, increase myself. So that's also the reason. And there is no purpose for speaking. There is no purpose for English language. So just I observe that suppose I am speaking nowadays, maybe in future upcoming days, lots of beginner, lots of student, lots of who is committed in English, they also feel motivation. So that's
yeah,
also
yeah.
the reason I am talking with every day with my friends, with you, or any kinds of person who is passionate in English language.
That's
So
great.
that's all. Yeah. So I'm thinking that who am I? And maybe in future I will be show my appearance all over the world. Maybe I am showing my YouTube journey through. So people also observe me. People also are happy to see myself in this way. So
Yeah, yeah.
everyone not happy because everyone not feel good that because I'm not good in perfect in English language. So maybe
You
everyone
are
not happy.
no, 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 no. You are really very perfect in your speaking.
No,
You are
actually,
speaking very well.
yeah, everyone not think about me. I'm not good in English language, but maybe in future I also be good in or perfect in
Obviously, why
English
not?
language. So that's also the reason I'm practicing. And upcoming generation, I am the inspiration person in my area. So that's also the reason I'm also
Oh,
practicing in English language.
your opinion, your thoughts about English is really get very great. Respect yourself. I respect your thoughts. You are really very great man.
Thank you. Not like that, but it is my own way of thought. I'm thought in this way that something I'm working that is helping for others.
Yeah, yeah.
It is really beneficial. Who is beginner? Who is committed to? Yes, I'm also learning. I'm also practicing. I'm also doing something special. So I'm doing something special according to me. I'm not
Oh,
talking any other. Everyone working on that platform. So I'm also that person. Like I'm also the one person that I'm doing something that is
yeah,
really
yeah.
beneficial for upcoming days.
That's great, brother. You tell me, ask any question.
Okay, absolutely, why not? So, what is your motive? What is your as you told me that you want to be a safe. So
Yeah, yeah.
this is the only reason you want to learn in this language, or you have another motive?
No, no, I have many motive because English without English I can't turning anyway. As you know that in India, Hindi language is like local language, but in India, someone on the someone place is not very well, just like a Kerala. Without
Mm-hmm.
English, you can't go anywhere. So I think if you want to live, if you want to live happy life, you want to happy life, you want to good life in a future. So English is very important in your life, and English
Mm-hmm.
is just not your language. English is it's like a personality, hence your personality. So your personality, who are you? And if you want to earning name and fame, so English language is really really play a very important role in your life. And as well as I told you, I want to become a chef, and you know that as you know that in a hotel without English you can't do anything, and
In
you can't
big
achieve
in,
anything.
in big hotel.
Yes, so right now I'm preparing for the entrance exam IHM, and after join college without English I can't do anything. Who am I and what's my qualification? Don't know because I'm a speechless man. without English. So I think English is very important in our life, and approaching future without English, I can't do anything.
Yeah,
That's the reason I learn English.
yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy to talk with you. I'm happy to see
Thank you.
in this manner because everyone is practicing every single day, but they don't have any way of speaking. They don't have, just they are practicing, and
Yeah, yeah.
like, yeah, they don't have any way because we have some way, we have some motive. So this is beneficial for us.
Yeah, because if you attract with some person, if you connect with some person, one person, two-person, then automatically your boost up of mind, your boost up of confidence, and your fearless is also like make a large distance to you. So I think everybody speak in English and try to speak in English.
Yeah,
I don't care who I'm right speaking or wrong speaking, because
yeah,
I'm a learner, I'm a beginner.
yeah,
So don't care right or wrong.
yeah,
Always
absolutely,
speaking. Always think about
absolutely.
English.
I'm also agree with you because suppose we are thinking that we are beginner, we are not able to speak, then how we can speak? If you are
Yeah,
committed, we definitely learn. We definitely speak very well. So our mind is force us, then you are not able. But our
yeah, yeah.
mentality is going on. No, you can, and now we
Because
can.
after born, I live such a locality. In that locality, everybody is speaking Hindi and don't
Mhm.
think about English. That's the reason our effect is like that.
Yes, yes. But if we continue doing in such a way, maybe there is no much time. We don't spend much time, then we will be fluent in English language
Yeah, yeah.
upcoming days. But we are spending time, not maybe I'm talking to you that I'm not spend too much time, but uh, it is time to spend more time in English language
Yeah,
where
yeah, yeah.
we fluent.
So what would you say that people that type of people, when people said that is English language is not important in our life. So what's your opinion about that people?
Actually, I'm not talking another person opinion, but according to me, I'm able to speak in English language. Then I definitely force everyone. Everyone need in English language.
Yeah, yeah.
So, so who is
Because approaching
who
future
is
without English you can't do anything.
yeah, who is talk? There is no need in English. Maybe they feel upcoming 5 years.
Yeah.
After 5 years, they feel yes. Who is the person talk with me? That person is right, and I am wrong. So this,
Obviously, because nowadays you go just like Mumbai and Delhi, Kerala. So without English, you can't attract to each and every people. Some people you are attracting Hindi, but everyone is not attract with you because you are a speechless man.
yes,
I know that you speak in Hindi, but everybody is known that how to speak English, and you have want knowledge about English. So if you want to attract each other, if you want to connect everybody, so English language is very important.
yes, yes, absolutely. I'm
Yeah.
totally agree with you. So we talk many things in English language. If you try to speak with me, then we can talk another time if you're free. I'm
Okay,
also
brother.
spend more time. So we are practicing. This is our main motive. So what is the way we can get fluent? We spend more time and we get fluent. This is our
Okay.
task. This is our task. So see you another time if you free. If I am also free, we can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. See
Okay.
you.
Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
Take care.
Yes, absolutely. Bye.